General Hospital's policy that Peter Day a reckoning is drawing near. The question is, how will Peter handle his life blowing up? Peter will have a few absence as his world crumbled down around him. He could sneak out of town, but that couldn't provide much drama. GA viewers could also have Peter escape responsibility and prove there's still some good in him. Unfortunately, that couldn't provide a very dramatic outcome either. Since David sank Peter this low, they should see it through to the end. Perhaps Peter himself gave viewers a clue during his dream confession to Messi. During that nightmare, Peter insisted he was God that's silent. Is that true? Peter may not have a string of women he's violated, but he's been willing to commit multiple murders and mess with people's minds. He arguably a god in sheep's clothing, but a god is still a god. Peter may be in a dangerous frame of mind once he has nothing left to lose. He'll continue working every angle he can to keep the truth from coming out, but there's no stopping the freight train. General Hospital's police say Peter will face a shocking exposure. All his misdeeds should come to light. So what will his reaction be? Could Messi be in grave danger once she turns against him? Peter could easily decide if he can't have Messi, no one can. That's especially true if she's a demon that there's absolutely no hope for their future. Peter could give himself over fully to the dark side and forget about this notion of trying to be a better man. He's only been masquerading as a better man anyway. Jason, Sam, and Damien Spinell may be the ones to reveal Peter's evil transgression, but who will save Messi from the toll ahead? Maybe it be Robert, Scorpio, and even Mark Short at a signing moment. Anna could get it on this rescue as well, and perhaps a cap that Peter's become a monster. General Hospital's police say Peter could be destined for a deadly fate. Just like the villain he claims to be Destined. Is Peter really Destined silent? Will he prove it as he grows spiral out of control?